Hello friends, welcome to part 2 of Lonavala trip. Finally, we checked into the comfort zone and here's a little tour of my hotel room. The little ladder that you can see was meant for the children. The children could go on top, sleep and also play. It was like a tree house. The washroom was super clean and well maintained. The washroom was small but it had all the facilities. It was neat, it was tidy, and had fresh vibes. There was a small coffee area with neatly arranged cupboards. Everything was in its place. Relaxed Srini was enjoying his holiday vibes. The balcony stole my heart. Waking up to the hills felt magical. The balcony wasn't just a balcony, it was a frame, and the hills were the painting. One step outside, and the hills unfolded like a slow motion scene from a dream. From the balcony, I felt that nature had paused the world just for me. Lights, camera, action, and the hills, the balcony view was pure cinema. The view of the hills looked so cinematic from the balcony, it felt like a movie was waiting to happen. The balcony also overlooked the car parking, and surprisingly, it was neat and very well organized. Hi, Srini.
Meritas Aura Resort.
What, Srini?
We are staying at Meritas Aura Resort, Lonavala.
सुनसान रास्ते पर मेरे पति अकेले अकेले घूमने निकले हैं हम लोग. We both are out at the lonely hours at Lonavala. Mumbai, you can never find Mumbai to be like this at this time. Mumbai is always crowded, full of people. You don't feel that, it's night or it's day. Even at 10, 12 o'clock, it's bustling with people and activities. Look at Lonavala, it's just 8 o'clock, it's just 7:30 and it's so lonely. This is the night view of Lonavala. Govardhan Puja being celebrated at Lonavala. Two children are bursting crackers. You can find a lot of bungalows in Lonavala and you can see this beautiful house. This beautiful house. Generally, all the film stars, they have a villa at Lonavala, Khandala, and they come on a holiday, party, have fun, and they go back. I want to just find out the price of an apartment in Lonavala and how much does a house cost. And if I get the details, I'll definitely share with you all. The Safal Nest and the Ara Mahar stays. Ara Mahar stays. Hello?
It's not very clear.
Ara Mahar stays. The night view. The lanes are very small, very narrow and very silent.
Almost at 8 o'clock in the night.
It's looking like 12, 1.
O'clock.
Yeah, it's very lonely. Can you beat it, friends? It looks like Delhi in the night hours. We were there in Delhi for a year and this is how Delhi looks at 8 o'clock in the night. Very lonely, very scary. And now we are going back. We just took a small detour from our hotel and this is how the entrance looks. Friends, how colorfully it's been lit.
Meritas Aura.
And the name of our vacation hotel, vacation stay is Meritas Aura. We always end up staying in a different, either a French named hotel or we've always stayed in that kind of hotels. I don't know, it's like, it's jinxed or it's not on purpose, but we always end up staying in hotels which have a French name, Spanish name. This is the entrance, friends, of Meritas Aura. And this is the night view of our hotel. This is the night view of our hotel. This is how big the hotel is. It's a huge hotel and they have individual bungalows as well. This is how the hotel looks. This is the reception. This is the reception. And this is the restaurant. These are the independent villas that you can see. Oh, Meritas Aura. These are the independent villas. And well lit, very beautiful. And this is where we are staying. This is the hotel, and these are the independent villas. And there's children play area. There's a children play area. They have a swimming pool. They have 3-bedroom villas. They've got 5-bedroom villas. And this is the swimming pool. Friends, just look at the water. It's so blue in color. And this is Meritas Aura. They have a small pool for the children and a huge pool for the adults. And this is how it looks. Look at Srini walking by.
Beautiful pool.
Srini enjoying in the cuckoo swing. Cuckoo nest swing. I was just telling you that, we should shift to Lonavala after a few. It's just like Bangalore, we know the climate, so similar to Bangalore. We should shift to Lonavala and settle down here. Mumbai is so hot, my God, it's like heaven. Contrast. I really feel I'm in Bangalore. At the balcony, chilling and having fun. Usually I don't find so much of time to just sit around and enjoy the view and have tea and be by myself. But it's nice once in a while that we should have some time for ourselves. It's nice to be busy, but once in a while it's nice to have your own company, enjoy your own company and have a holiday. So thanks to Srini for getting me to Lonavala. It's awesome. I love the climate. It just reminds me of Bangalore, and that's where I grew up all my life. So Lonavala is so similar to Bangalore, and I wish I could stay here forever. And with Srini and me, signing off. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.